In a sunlit town, a curious critter named Pippa Foggle discovers a map hidden inside a giggling teacup. The map swirls to life, leading Pippa through the Moonberry Market where talking pastries crack playful riddles about flavors and stars. A jesting parrot, Lolo, asks a riddle about shadows and echoes, rewarding the answer with a sparkly joke that makes everyone roar. Children watch as Pippa and friends solve mini puzzles, earning rainbow stamps that unlock a secret playground beneath the bakery. By sunset, our heroes learn that curiosity bubbles into laughter when questions are shared, and kindness lights every path.